There, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mute messages on Samsung Galaxy S25. First, if you're using Samsung Galaxy S25's default messaging application, then you can just go to the messaging application, then you can just hold on a conversation, and from here at the bottom left corner you will find notification. If you tap on it, then you will find this cross bell icon at that conversation. That means you just muted this person to message you. You won't get notified when they send you message or they done any activity on this conversation. So if you are using Google messaging application, let me set it as the default application. So if you're using this application, so you can just simply hold on it. Now you can just block this number to mute it for a limited time. So you can go here, and from here you'll find the notification. You can go to the conversation and tap on the name, and you'll find notifications, and from here you can tap on silent to mute this conversation, and you also won't get any notification from this conversation or from this person if they do any activities on your conversation. So that's how you can actually mute someone on this Google messaging application and Samsung Galaxy S25 default messaging applications. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.